So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video about the installation of the windscreen for the Ola S1x. So this windscreen I picked it up from Amazon, costing roughly around $700 or 750. Though this windscreen is not for S1x, this is for S1 Pro. But still we were able to manage to fix it for the S1x. Because the S1x comes with a wider handlebar, all I had to do was to shorten the distance of the mirror. So in fact I moved the entire case, the brakes and the mirror casing, right, little bit, like half an inch, if you can see, right, half an inch little bit ahead. This side also little bit I've moved it, and hence I was able to get this thing aligned. So from a fit, so the important thing that you need to note is that this is a direct plug and play system. All you have to do is just fix the casing which holds the windscreen to the mount where your rear view mirror goes. So one to the left and in two sets. So one is the screen, and then the detachable part is the one which is the holder. So that is how it is. So apart from that, I think there's nothing much fancy. It is just from aesthetics point of view and a little bit from a aerodynamics point of view, but nothing fancy from the aerodynamics. So if you have kids, for them, just to prevent them from dust, you can put this. Two things that you have to keep in mind is that there are rubber washers, so that you have to make sure you put it before you screw the windscreen to the bolt. So there's one rubber washer over here, and also inside there's one more. So I think that's where you need to be a little bit careful. But apart from that, because this is not made of glass, this is fiber, so hence you don't have to. This is how the fitting looks. So already you have a little bit taller head for the S1x. So on top of that, this is how it looks, and it gives close to a 2-inch of raise unit. But apart from that, for 700 you can't ask anything more. It does the duty. It buffets the wind to this extent. So yeah, that's how it is. But also from an aesthetic point of view, this is how it looks. So I'll keep the product link in my description note. Do check it out. Though it is not for the S1x, it is for the S1 Pro. Just make sure when you purchase it, move this unit little bit inside, inwards, and then you're sorted. And then it's just a plug and play system, nothing much to tangle with anything else. So from the side, this is how it looks. By the way, this is the new S1x 4 kilowatt battery pack unit, and I will be doing a dedicated video about the accessories that I fit, and also the long-term review of the S1x. This is not the Pro, this is just the S1x with 4 kilowatt. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. And if you have any further comments about the windscreen for the S1x, do let me know. But this is how it looks, and yeah, check out the product link in the description notes. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.